Gotcha, sucker.
When you see us, you know we
I hang with them real niggas, man. I don't hang with them foo-foo ass niggas, man. I'm smoking on the Tuka pack, yeah, I'm happy. Got the fucking 50 in the Mac, I will wet too quick. Good D, he a switch T's if you ain't rockin' with. Man, I say free, all the guys, they all some foo-foo shit. All wanna goofy with me, so don't hang with me. Got the fucking 30 on me, and it ain't hard to see. You saw me on 060 with my fucking team. Take 600 LA and see they up the fucking stage. Who the fuck is Rico? He get my desert ego. If he say BK, I think he fuck with JoJo. Oh fuck what the fool gay. These niggas fool gay. Can't rob for they fucking say. These niggas fucking lame. All of my nigga Fatboy Chubbs, he up on everything. These rappers, they really rappers. I am just a savage. I do this cause I want to. Take money, he gon' let it spray, and I just want to. Ride around on Tuka Day, well like 1 or 2. That's it, niggas said Tuka gang, and we gon' murder you. You niggas said they heard of me, but I ain't heard you. Get the fuck up out my fucking face for an alcohol. 1,000 for a feature. You can call my phone. Whole time I went up, cause I dropped a couple songs. Niggas said Tatiana's, we say E. We don't want no fucking sex, tell that bitch to E. Niggas in they ass smoke, and they steady rapping. Nigga, we was getting smoke, I will be slide. Turn your fucking goofy down, you hanging with some goofy clouds. They got that 100 round, that bitch make a loud sound. Oh fuck, what a op bitch, shoot her in the shit. If she saying that op shit, I'ma end quick. T-Roy, that's T-Roy, that's bro. Put me and T-Way on the drill, we gon' go hard. Put his ass in his fucking face, we poured his whole car. I'm fooling on double R with Nick Beezy. Got the fucking 50 in the Mac with Lil Keys. Fuck you from out west, saying oh my bees. Cause I'm from out south, we make it look easy. Going out for fucking flat, drinking on his easy. Sure, yeah, he got the tech, smoking hella tree. Let's go. Squat. All my niggas that they hang with me. All them 600 hang with me. Them double R's hang with me. Them old blocks hang with me. I said the 300s hang with me. Fuck an OTF and GBA. They hang with me. Them Glock Boyz hang with me.
You see us, you know we need business.
The gang with
Bbmg,
my niggas.